Hello and welcome to Fix Your Smile, where your oral health means a lot to us. In many of our homes, life is, well, wonderfully full. It is filled with the sounds of children playing, the delicious smells of spices from the kitchen, and the constant coming and going of family and friends. We share so much love and laughter, but with so much happening, it can be easy to forget about the small things, like taking care of our teeth. Sometimes, we might rush through brushing in the morning or forget to floss at night. And let's be honest, finding time for a dentist appointment can feel like a huge challenge when you are juggling work-school runs and preparing family meals. This is a story I hear often from many busy families. I understand these challenges completely. Taking care of your family's health is a top priority, and oral health is a very important part of that. A healthy smile is not just about having white teeth, it is about preventing pain, eating comfortably, and feeling confident when you speak and laugh. In fact, many of our own cultures, from the Middle East to India, hold ancient secrets for maintaining strong and healthy teeth. These are traditions that our grandparents and their grandparents before them used. They used natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen cupboards. These simple, time-tested methods can easily fit into your busy schedule, offering a practical way to boost your family's oral hygiene without adding stress to your day. In this essay, we will explore 5 of these amazing dental hacks. Think of them as small, powerful daily habits that help protect your family's smiles. A smile is a treasure, and these tips will help you protect it every single day, easily and naturally. Let's begin a practice that has gained incredible popularity around the world, but has its roots in ancient Indian Ayurvedic medicine. It is called oil pulling. The idea is simple. You swish a tablespoon of oil in your mouth for several minutes. This practice is believed to pull harmful bacteria and toxins from your mouth, leaving it cleaner and fresher. Traditionally, sesame oil or sunflower oil. But today, many people prefer coconut oil, because of its pleasant taste and its natural antibacterial properties. It's best to do it first thing in the morning, even before you drink water or brush your teeth. Take 1 tablespoon of a high-quality oil like virgin coconut oil, swish it around your mouth, pulling it between your teeth and around your gums. Try to do this for about 10 to 15 minutes. While you are swishing, you can prepare breakfast or get the kids' school bags ready. When you are done, spit the oil into a trash can, not the sink, because the oil can clog your pipes. The bacteria in our mouths have a cell membrane made of fat or lipids. When you swish oil around, the lipids in the oil attract the lipids in the bacteria's cell membrane. It's like a magnet for germs. As you swish, the oil traps these bacteria. So when you spit the oil out, you are also spitting out harmful bacteria that cause plaque, gingivitis, and bad breath. This practice, known as Gandusha or Kavala in ancient Sanskrit texts, has been documented for over 3,000 years. It was recommended in the Charaka Samhita, one of the foundational texts of Ayurveda, as a remedy for a wide range of health issues, from oral diseases to headaches. Ancient practitioners believed that the mouth was a mirror to the body's health, and keeping it clean was essential for overall wellness. By practicing oil pulling, you are not just trying a new trend, you are connecting with a deep tradition of holistic health that has been trusted for centuries. Next, let's talk about a tool that has been used for dental hygiene for thousands of years across the Middle East, North Africa, and parts of Asia. It is the miswak stick. The miswak is a twig from the Salvadora persica tree, also called the arak tree. It's often called nature's toothbrush, and it cleans teeth naturally. Using a miswak is easy. You don't need toothpaste. First, trim or chew off about ½ inch of bark. Then chew the tip until fibers separate into bristles. Gently rub those bristles against teeth and gums in an up and down motion. The wood's natural compounds do the cleaning. When bristles wear out after a few days, cut off the old tip and chew a new one. It's completely natural and biodegradable. The miswak contains powerful natural substances: silica, which helps polish stains; tannins, which reduce gum inflammation; natural antiseptic resins; essential oils that kill harmful bacteria. Studies show miswak can be as effective, sometimes more, than a regular toothbrush and toothpaste for reducing plaque and gingivitis. It's a complete oral care kit from nature. The use of miswak is deeply embedded in Islamic tradition. It was recommended by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He used it regularly and encouraged followers to use it, especially before prayer. That endorsement made miswak a symbol of purity and a cherished daily ritual. It links hygiene to a deeper spiritual practice. So using a miswak means cleaning teeth and taking part in a 400-plus-year-old tradition with deep personal meaning. For centuries before modern plastic toothbrushes, people relied on this simple stick. It still remains popular today because of its effectiveness and cultural meaning. It's an eco-friendly alternative to plastic toothbrushes, a testament to nature's wisdom in providing complete oral care. After enjoying a flavorful meal rich in garlic, onions, and aromatic spices, what do many families in India and the Middle East reach for? A small bowl of seeds. Often these are fennel seeds, or saunf, as they are known in Hindi. Chewing on a small spoonful of these seeds after a meal is a common cultural practice. It is served in restaurants and homes as a natural mouth freshener and a digestive aid. This simple habit does more than just combat the lingering taste of a heavy meal. It also offers wonderful benefits for your oral health. The practice is incredibly straightforward. Just take about half a teaspoon of plain or lightly roasted fennel seeds and chew them slowly for a few minutes after you eat. As you chew, the seeds release a sweet, licorice-like flavor that instantly freshens your breath. This is why you often see them in a bowl by the exit of Indian restaurants. They are a natural and much healthier alternative to sugary mints or chewing gum. Fennel seeds have fantastic antimicrobial properties. This means they can help fight the bacteria in your mouth that cause bad breath. Bad breath, or halitosis, is often caused by bacteria breaking down food particles and releasing smelly sulfur compounds. Chewing fennel seeds helps to neutralize these compounds. Furthermore, chewing them stimulates saliva production. Saliva is your mouth's natural defense system. It helps to wash away food particles and neutralize acids that can cause tooth decay. In ancient Rome, fennel was used by victorious warriors to celebrate their triumphs. In Indian Ayurvedic medicine, fennel has been used for centuries to aid digestion. The practice of chewing seeds after a meal is a form of mukwas, a colorful blend of seeds and nuts served as a mouth freshener. By chewing fennel seeds, you are taking part in a tradition that beautifully blends flavor, hospitality, and natural wellness in one simple, crunchy bite. Turmeric, the vibrant golden spice, haldi in India, is a cornerstone of our cooking. We use it to add color and flavor to curries, rice dishes, and vegetables. But its benefits go far beyond the kitchen. For thousands of years, turmeric has been celebrated in Ayurvedic medicine for its powerful healing properties. One of its lesser-known but highly effective uses is for oral health, particularly for strengthening gums and reducing inflammation. When combined with another simple kitchen staple, salt, it creates a potent paste that can support the health of your gums in a gentle, natural way. Creating this golden paste is incredibly simple. All you need is a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of salt, a few drops of water or mustard oil to form a thick paste. Mix the ingredients in a small bowl until they are well combined. Then take a small amount of the paste on your fingertip and gently massage it onto your gums. Let it sit for a couple of minutes before rinsing your mouth thoroughly with warm water. You can do this once a day, perhaps after you brush your teeth in the evening. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. When you apply it to your gums, it can help soothe irritation, reduce redness, and fight the bacteria that cause gingivitis. Salt acts as a mild antiseptic and helps to draw out fluid from swollen tissues, further reducing inflammation. Together, they work to create a healthier environment in your mouth, making your gums stronger, less prone to bleeding, and less prone to infection. The use of turmeric for healing is a tradition deeply woven into the fabric of Indian family life. A child with a small cut or scrape is often treated with a pinch of turmeric paste applied by a loving mother or grandmother. This practice is a beautiful example of how traditional home remedies passed down through families often have a strong basis in science. Sometimes the most effective remedies are also the simplest ones. This is certainly true for the warm saltwater rinse. This practice is known and used all over the world, but it holds a special place in the home remedies of Middle Eastern and Indian families. It is the go-to solution recommended by mothers and grandmothers for a sore throat, canker sore, or any minor mouth irritation. Preparing a saltwater rinse takes less than a minute. All you need to do is dissolve about half a teaspoon of salt, any kind you have in your kitchen will work, into a glass of warm water. Make sure the water is comfortably warm, not hot, to avoid burning your mouth. Stir until dissolved, then swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds, making sure it reaches all areas, especially any sore spots. The science behind why this works is based on osmosis. When salt concentration outside cells is higher than inside, water is drawn out, reducing swelling and inflammation. Salt also creates a temporary alkaline environment in your mouth, which makes it difficult for harmful bacteria to survive. This remedy is universal because it is based on a fundamental understanding of salt as a purifying and preserving agent a concept that spans many cultures. We have explored wonderful, easy, and natural ways to care for your teeth, all drawn from the rich traditions of Middle Eastern and Indian cultures. These practices are more than just dental hacks. They are a connection to our heritage, simple wise habits our ancestors used to maintain health and well-being. By bringing these small steps into our busy modern lives, we are improving our oral health and honoring wisdom passed down through our families for generations. A healthy smile is a treasure, and it's within your reach every single day. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cheers.